It's the first time for me to hear, Chairman, that we're going to Prince of Wales. That's really, really a big, big thank you to Football Association. Actually, what is happening, the people, they love soccer. Every time when they go there for the finals, when we're closing the season, that's where you can see the love, that people, they love their teams. They love soccer. So we as sponsor, Mandla Mahewu, we're really glad that we're sponsoring the right sport on that. So what's telling us that we're on the right track? It's the attendance of the people. All the people who go and attend there. That's massive. We always laugh and feel happy on see that. There are people who are going to be misbehave. That's part of enjoyment on the day, because if you are too excited, you don't know, you feel like flying, of which you cannot fly. So that's very important for us just to see on that. As a sponsor of Mandla Mahewu, I'll just gonna thank you all, and also all the nation in Swaziland, because still the support we're getting, as Mandla Mahewu is the #1 brand. No one's gonna beat this brand. So people are still supporting their brand. We are really happy. With the support of all of you guys, media houses, with the support of all the players, even Football Association, because it's the one who's just put us together to play for this. They're the one who scout for a sponsor and come and put it in here. I'll say thank you very much, competition on the history you've given us. My ma'am next to me, our main sponsor also, best sponsor, who likes Mandla Mahewu, who likes to sponsor Mandla Mahewu. On Sunday, Chair, the first 100 people who are going to be going in that stadium, they'll have a chance, they'll have an opportunity of getting a pint of Mahewu for free. The first 100 people. So if there's a bonus, a pansela, they'll be lucky, but guaranteed on the first 100. So tell your friends, tell your relatives that, guys, don't come late. Let's make sure we fill up that Prince of Wales Stadium early so that we can be able just to get seated. I'm sure the Football Association has prepared also the security. We hope everything's going to be in order so that people don't then misbehave, because once they start misbehaving, it becomes a problem. Just to thank you also, Football Association committee team. We've never had any noise. We've never had any complications, any confusion going on. So we hope you're going to carry on the way it is, because I know that if you don't have the noise, that means you're doing your job the right way. So that's why also we as sponsor, we always like to associate ourselves with people who are taking care. Because as you know, on the sponsor, we always try and make sure that actually all the kids, we just bring them together to enjoy soccer, not just to go and think for all those things which are happening outside. So this one, it brings them together just to socialize, not to socialize. They are playing because I've heard others need to be promoted, others need to be going down. Oh, it's bad for those ones, unfortunately. But that's the part of the game. Once again, and I thank everybody who's attended there.